Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Onyinye Ude, and if today is your first time seeing my video, then you're welcome. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to cook a delicious party style jollof rice. Let's get started.
Everything together. Blend fresh garlic, fresh pepper, hot pepper, onions, so that way the meat will be tasty and the broth will be tasty for the rice. We're going to cover the pot and let it cook. Vegetable oil, so I'm going to add a little because I used vegetable oil to blend my onions. So this is just onions blended with vegetable oil. My children are picky, okay, so I blend it. Curry powder, bay leaf. So today we are cooking jollof rice. Mix it up and let it saute properly, okay? It's sauteed, as you can see. Tomato paste, we fried our tomato paste first and it's ready. Look at that. Okay, it's dry. Now I'm adding the tomato puree. With red bell pepper. And mix it up. At this point it's ready. Let's add the broth, our beef broth. So what I'm going to do is to season this stew very well before we add our rice. Jollof rice is adding your white rice in a tomato sauce and cooking it together. Season with bouillon. So the rice, we are mixing the rice, okay? This is how you cook jollof rice, okay? Allow some sauce, okay? You should be able to cover it, okay? Oh, our jollof rice. So you keep, okay, stirring it. You're gonna get burnt. Because we are cooking a very big pot of rice. So our rice is ready. We are going to allow it to soak up all the delicious sauce and then we dish it out. Delicious jollof rice and beef. We've
come to the end of this video. Look at our rice. It's delicious. It's fluffy but well cooked. Please share, comment, and I will see you once again in my next video. Bye. God bless you.